Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna try, actually I did already, put Sony AX700 on a DJI Gimbal RS2. So let's see how does it look like. This is a locked position, right? So it's in locked position. Now we're gonna unlock it. First of all, I want to show how does it look. It's heavy. It's rather heavy, right? Okay. Battery is good. So now we're gonna unlock this thing here, so which is locking capability is very good for transporting. Now it moves and unlock this one, and now this one moves freely, and lastly I'm gonna unlock this one here, which is tilt. So it was like this, now it's tilty tilty, unlucky lucky. Now tilt is unlocked too. And there you go. That's the best what I could do. Probably you're wondering why this power bank, what is it doing there? I made the Velcro. It's needed because it's really needed. And just gonna remove this thing, put it here. There you go. And when you open, see, that looks like a little bit off, but when you open it, okay, like this, it changes everything suddenly. Oh. Okay, let's try and power it by holding this power button for 2-3 seconds, and voila, it comes to yeah, only good thing, only not good thing, only thing I forgot about this, because it doesn't have a clearance. Doesn't have a clearance, so you have to let's throw it. Okay, let's just shut it off for a second. There you go. And camera is on. See, clearance, you're gonna hit it with this. It's not really good, but when you press this here down, like I'm gonna do it right now, then clearance is just fine. See, doesn't have too much room. It's very tight, but it works good. That's sufficient, and it's not all to the maximum positions. Why? Because I don't know. That's how I did it. That's my balance after a couple of hours trying. But anyway, it has a clearance without that rubbery eyepiece from a viewfinder. Now we're gonna do it again. I like when it comes to life. Doop. And it works very good. I put it extra slow. But that's how it works. Very smooth, predictable. it works in this underslung or whatever mode. Whoops. Uh-oh. No, really. Look at that. It's upside down. Okay. Let me see what happened. What happened just right now. I think it made a full rotation here. Let's see. Yeah. Good. No. It should be doing like that. No, I think it should go like this. It's hard to record one-handed. Let's try again. No. Funny. Very, very funny. Oh, I see what happened. Obviously, I kind of, yeah, it has to be. I kind of, now it should be fine. Now it should be good. Now it's good again, yeah. If you kind of accidentally move this thing around while you put it in the underslung mode or briefcase mode, and if you're kind of not careful, it happens that sometimes, as you can see, you get the camera down. See? Okay. Now it's working fine, right? Okay, and then you can, with the joystick, you can go up or down, and you can go walk with it. It's really nice. And it's heavy. It is heavy, but it works quite right. As you can see on the side, clearance is just enough. It's very good. I guess you have to be gentle. If you do it abruptly, I guess you can do it, then kind of it doesn't know what you want to do, and it gets confused. Anyway, that's about the balance, which I spent a lot of time to do it right. Now I know how it's good, that it's nicely balanced. I can do on these guys how to put it together. Like the motor I don't need, but this is gonna be interesting to see whole thing on the cell phone. Bear with me because I'm fairly new in this gimbal situation, and as I said, I'm gonna discover it slowly. Only thing I discovered, I don't like this thing here, which is a RS2 kind of thing, because when I remove the camcorder from it, I cannot put it on my tripod. I already ordered it. It should come tomorrow. Then I'm gonna show you how it's much better with the original, basically Manfrotto tile part or style, I should say, not this guy here, because when I remove it, I have this thing on the camera, RS2, and I cannot use it anywhere because I don't have any RS2 guy. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing I wanted to show. The DJI application, and then you connect it, you open that application. Of course, it's already connected. Good. Now we're gonna go into the balance test. That's really interesting because when you do balance test, that's a good thing. If you just try like this, it's gonna show you that you need to be at a certain angle from 15 to 45 angled on, doesn't matter what side, in order to do the test. So we're gonna do the we're gonna do the test. I just don't know how we can do it like this and one hand. Then I'm gonna press this guy here and then test starts. See, the whole camera is moving. Test is running, and after finishing the test, it tells you the results. See, didn't have enough inclination, so we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it a little bit more like this way, and then do the test. And now it starts again. Let's see, is it gonna be good? And probably it's gonna be good because I see the green stuff. Still testing. Roll is excellent, tilt is excellent, and pan needs a little bit rebalancing. Okay, let's do it again. We're gonna do it like this way now. This way. And then hit the begin test. Let's see what it's gonna do now. That's also confusing. Sometimes it works green and everything is fine. And if I try it differently, see, for example, now everything is excellent. Because if you look at this thing here, it was green all the time. If it's the orange, then it's gonna be like a good or required setting. But if it's like this, then it's good. Let's try same thing, just a little bit again on this side. Begin test. See, it's testing now, testing. And it's green. Good. See, again required balancing. That's funny. So let's go like this now. And then begin testing. Says insufficient inclination. Maybe it was too much because it cannot be over 45 degrees. I guess it was too much. See, results excellent. Excellent results. That's good for me. Good enough for me. So instead of this guy here, instead of that power bank, I hope when I got tomorrow the Manfrotto style, that's base plate, then it's gonna fit perfectly and I don't have to use this. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that it works. Okay, so how I did it, I just put it here on it. It's so hard. I'll have to take both hands to remove it. Wow, it's not going anywhere. Crazy hard. See, you can see now how I did it. I just put a little bit soft loop, and I put the hooks here, there, because without this it's just too much weight, right? So it's quite good. Anyway, it works good. But we're gonna see tomorrow when I hook everything, which I need a little bit more time. Just for the people who maybe have the same model of a Sony AX700, what's the number and setup, at least in my case. And it works very, very, very good. But I'm still not kind of familiar with everything. But I'm gonna be learning. So I'm gonna be locking it now for the transportation. So you press here and then align it and it's locked. Same thing here. According to the papers, they like to be locked like this on the side. So press this one here. Oh no, all the way here. Now it's locked, and then we're gonna lock the... See, that's the thing, if you get to that position, then it's gonna hit because it's the limit. So you have to be careful that it's always in this position. Anyway, so let's move it around and lock this one too, but not like upside down. But you see the clearance. It's not much, but just enough. And then we can lock it. There you go. Now it's locked. We can put this back, and that's it. That's how it looks like. There you go. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a little bit more balancing and hooking up all this equipment I have here, and then play more with it. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. I don't think I bored you too much because I was looking everywhere and I couldn't find any AX7, this particular model of camcorder, AX700 Sony, being on a tripod on a gimbal RS2 from DJI. I'm currently recording on DJI Pocket 2, which is very, very handy. I can do it myself. A little bit problems, but that's okay. Yeah. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye. Oh, actually, one more thing. Let's move it around. Yeah, that's why I removed the battery. I wanted to show you the approximate weight, at least in my case. What's the difference? Oh, okay. Grams. Let's put this down. 233 grams. So instead of putting 233 grams, you can put this 10,000 milliamps and then hook it up to something if you want. And I used the longer one. I didn't use the lower one because I wanted extra space here, so I can jam extra weight in between. I used this wider one. this thing here. Okay, that's it for now. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.